it does flow quite easily. The unusual thing about this is it's a cream, whereas a lot of things are like a gel.
Yeah, gel, yeah.
So literally I've got a microfibre cloth here, rubbing that on, get in there with it. The thing I like about this as well is those who have used other products which are green and things, it goes on the paintwork, it's difficult to get off. Whereas this is more like a polish, so if you do go around the paintwork, you can just wipe it off. You can see that there. It even gives it quite a nice shine.
We'll do a door handle,
yeah,
just to show you that the bit that's, we did half and half.
Yeah.
And then we'll show you a door handle now, where this has had absolutely nothing on it. So let's show you as is, put a bit on it and show you the difference between it.
You don't need a lot. It's quite, I'm not saying it won't need a couple of coats, but you
can see
the grey there.
Yeah, you can see the difference.
Yeah. Many people might think, when you're starting off, what does this do? But it just feeds plastic basically, protects the plastic from cracking. You might find that if you leave that on overnight, and just put another coat on, we'd let this go a bit, and then what you would do then is literally let that dry and buff it off. Got another handle.
Got another handle here, which will show you what it's like before, then after.
So there's a dodgy bit there, basically, a bit like
on the bottom.
You can see it's got rid of that straight away. Remember, plastic does crack.
So as you can see, it does make a difference to the
UV
look of it.
Like I say, I can't stress that if you get it on there, you can just wipe it off, which is a real plus. Take it from me. Right, this would make a great Christmas gift, a birthday present for somebody who's into cars. Perhaps you do some trim around the other side. So, if you're looking at these are work in progress. We're just spraying them up. So here's a bit of plastic trim, rubbery type plastic. So this is actually rubber, if I'm honest. It's on a Discovery, the side trim, and you can see already, so it works on plastic and rubber from what we've seen. In fact, it's better than so let's just stake. So I'm only using a little bit.
So you can see it before and then after. It does make quite a bit of difference. It tidies it up.
See there where it's not, where it's absorbing, because rubber needs feeding as well. I think you just let it dry in and then buff it off. I mean, I would say for ease of use and how far it goes, it just seems to flow everywhere real easy.
It's like even on this bit here, this piece, which is like a sort of,
it's a rubber.
It will bring that up as well.
Let's try it.
You can try it on there as well. So if you're
well, here's a bit they're showing on the video, basically on the, not on video, on the tin there, which is rough.
So we'll put a bit on here and you show you the difference.
Wow, that has made a big difference. Look,
this is an old car as well. So as you can see on here,
not as old as me.
This makes a difference.
So let's do that. That's pretty impressive stuff, that. You can see the effect. Look at that. So if we go,
yeah. So that's the difference between it. So as you can see, it makes it look
there.
Look, and it protects it as well. Between that and that, yeah.
And just a quick buff up when you're done. Look.
Just basically buff it off when you've finished.
And it looks real nice. Look at that. I'm really pleased with that.
Right.
Really pleased.
So.
Daniel, there's a look. It's such a dodgy handle.
So this is the driver's side handle, and it's obviously grey. And
I reckon there's a couple of coats of that.
Yeah, it might need a couple of goings over.
But you can see already. I mean, the dramatic difference is. Look at that.
It's basically instant.
Look how easy it is to apply as well.
It goes on easier than some of the other products.
The thing is, it cleans as well while it's doing it. Seems to take marks out. That just smarts the whole vehicle up, doesn't it? If you look at that.
Yeah, it does.
Whole
Between
line.
there and there, you can see it makes a big difference.
So there's a little daub there, just showing how well it goes. Get yourself a real microfibre cloth and scrunch it up so you can get everywhere with it. Seems to work better if you're doing that. In fact, really, yeah, I'm going to leave it at that because I think we can get the idea.
Yeah, I think
how good
we've
it
demonstrated
is
that
and the
it
technique.
works. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, there's, yeah, absolutely. Look at an undone bit there. Just one quick coat on there.
Yeah, one literally quick coat. Yeah.
So if we go back to this side there. That's me just using a residue on the cloth. That's how good that is. Look at that.